Hello everybody, this is Tushar Waqt and you're watching Be10x and I'm back again with one more amazing video. And in this video I'm going to let you know that how can you create your own GPT with the help of OpenAI. So OpenAI is coming up with a new feature where you can create your own GPT and instruct it in a way where you can be the owner and the founder of it. For example, if I just give you an overview that how is it working, let me just go through this website and let you know that how and what exactly it is all about.
If you are afraid of losing your job to ChatGPT, let me tell you something. ChatGPT is just tip of the iceberg. There are multiple AI tools which can work like human and which will replace you. But AI won't replace you directly. A person using AI will. Be that person using AI. Learn art of using ChatGPT and other AI tools.
So ChatGPT is saying that we are rolling out custom versions of ChatGPT that you can create for a specific purpose called GPTs. So GPTs are a new way for anyone to create a tailored version of ChatGPT to be more helpful in their daily life at specific tasks at work or at home and then share that creation with others. For example, GPTs can help you learn the rules to any board game, help teach your kids math or design stickers. So if I tell you in a way, with the time in 2008 when Apple Play Store was launched very recently, there was a lot of applications that was being built up and that was being applied and launched on the Apple Play Store. And at that portion, a lot of applications actually came up and became a very big application and started making a lot of money and started being a giant in their own industry. Similarly, this new wave is going to take up the AI industry where you yourself can create a GPT for your own without the help of any coding or product experience in app developing or web developing or in any AI industry. All you have to do is just interact with the ChatGPT store. You just need to instruct it and it will keep on creating your GPT. So how does it work? So what is the exact way of doing it? The first process is to find that what GPT is effective yet rare. For example, if I just give you like there is a video editing AI tool, there is a image editing AI tool, there is an image creation AI tool. What AI tool is still missing in the industry and what AI tool can be the one which is actually very effective and actually very rare in the industry? If I talk you about few examples, there are Writer GPT that is not available in the market, which is well versed in terms of writing. There's one tool only which is called as Gravity Write. There's no any computer for Gravity Write in that way. Basically, you can be a computer for that. And there's no any Astronaut GPT, Musician GPT, Jokes GPT, Startup GPT, Chef GPT, etc. So basically, in short, if I could say, it should be unique and it should be useful. So the GPT that you are making, what kind of GPT is effective yet? Here, if you are finding out this answer for this question, so here are a few examples to start off with. So basically, a GPT is going to be an AI tool of your own where you have to give the information, and without the coding experience, without the prior developing experience, you can actually create your own GPT. Okay, let's now take you to the next question, that how can you get the right resources? What do I mean by resources? That what to feed your GPT to actually get trained. Your GPT is just like your employee or can be considered as your intern, where you need to train him, where you need to give them the information so that they can result you with the right information. So if I take you to ChatGPT, so even you know that ChatGPT works in a way where it has preceded, few information like what is the full form of UNO. If I just search for a basic question, the ChatGPT is responding in the full form of UNO is the United Nations Organization. So somewhere at the point, the backend is full of information, knowledge, and complete curation. So how to get the right resources? Just like how we were deciding and discussing that you need to give the right information, you need to feed the right amount of information. So what kind of information do you want to give there and what to do and how to do basically? For that, you need to start finding the open source documents like document file, videos, text files, websites, and repositories basically. Please note that it cannot be a copyrighted one like a YouTube video or anything more than that. So it should be a original or a free to use or you can say it as a open source file that can be used to give the information to your GPT. So it should be a non-copyrighted one. It can be a document file, it can be a video file, it can be a text file, it can be a website, or it can be also a repositories. So once this get launched, you can actually get get through this information and start creating your own GPT, because this is going to be a revolutionary change in the market AI industry, where you can actually create your own GPT without having any prior coding experience and without having any prior web developing experience. Okay, so if you're actually struggling to create or know how AI things works, how to get adapted with the AI technology, I think you are missing out with the most futuristic way of working right now, because 2023 has given us the change of working in this model. So all you have to understand is that if you're not getting adapted with the AI technology, AI is not going to replace you. But yes, the another person who is getting adapted and who is using AI can replace you, and you are putting your job at the risk portion. So do remember that you can actually get adapted with the AI technology, and I am here to gift you something that this course basically have found that can help you to actually get adapted with the AI technology with just 9 rupees. So the workshop will be conducted by 2 IIT Kharagpur alumni who have already co-founded multiple 6 to 7 figure companies, and they by themselves are going to teach you that how AI thing works, what's the way of working with AI technology, how to get adapted with the AI technology, and what's the actual futuristic way of working with the AI technology. So lots of students have got benefit with this course, and it actually mean, because I personally related, that it can accelerate your career at price of less than a chai. Actually 9 rupees mean it's less than the cost of a Lay's chips, I would say. And this is going to be a way where you can actually get more adapted, more knowledge and more information about the chat GPT and also the other AI tools. So even they say that AI won't replace you, but yes, a person using AI will. So if you really want to get adapted with the AI technology, want to enroll for this course, do check out the link given in the description below, and let me get back to you to the video. The third and the most important thing is that you can actually access to this GPT store, which is going to be launched by OpenAI by the end of this month. So it will be launched on the ChatGPT's official website, and you can actually go and access through this, and you can create your own GPT. So there are multiple options that you can actually create, like Writer GPT, Astronaut GPT, Musician GPT, Jokes GPT, Startup GPT. You can give it a very good look. You can actually train it in a way where you can actually decide its tone, its writing style, and a lot of things can be done. Now ChatGPT is not just going to give you the result, it is also helping you to create your own AI tool. So this is really very stunning, and I am really super impressed with this new feature. So if I just give you an overview that how things work and how you can actually do it. So it is the process. The first process is to ideate, like for whom you are building the ChatGPT, like for whom you are building the GPT, and what exactly are you planning to build it. And the second thing is to collect data. So you have to collect relevant open source data that is high quality and it is not copyrighted. And the third one is start building the GPT. It is yet to release actually, but yes, in the month end you will be able to access it, and detailed instructions will be out by the end of this month in the OpenAI's official website. And once it is done, you have to test it, just start measuring the performance, improve or pivot depending upon the data, and you can also start focusing on marketing stuff so that you can increase on your more amount of users and you can actually bring more engagement to your AI tool. Do remember that this is a very big opportunity, because no such AI tool has brought up yet that can actually help you to make your own AI tool that easily. So this was all about this tool. If you want to know where and how you can find the information, so this is the website. All you have to do is just go and search for ChatGPT store in the Google section, and the one which is written with introducing GPT, once you click on it, so this is the page where you can actually go and search and understand that what exactly is the GPT store is and when it is going to be launched and what exactly it is all about. So this was all about the ChatGPT store. I hope you found the video useful. If yes, then do not forget to hit the like button. I'll meet you with one more amazing video. Till then, stay tuned with Be10x and I'll meet you soon. Bye bye.